Imagine if your body had a natural detox and repair system that could slow down aging, burn fat, and even prevent serious diseases. Well, it does. It's called autophagy, and in this video, I'll reveal how you can activate it to supercharge your health. So completely watch the video till the end, as it's going to change your life. Trust me, the results of autophagy are magical, but it happens in reality. Stay till the end for some powerful tips. 1. What is autophagy? Let me define it to you. Autophagy comes from the Greek words auto, means self, and phagi means eating, meaning self-eating. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. It's a natural process where your body removes old, damaged cells and recycles them into new, healthy ones. Think of it like a deep clean for your body, removing toxic waste, regenerating cells, and improving overall health. 2. Anti-aging and longevity. Look and feel younger. Ever wondered why some people look younger for their age? Autophagy helps remove weak and dying cells that cause wrinkles, inflammation, and age-related diseases. Studies suggest that increasing autophagy may extend lifespan. It's like pressing the reset button on your body. 3. Brain health, sharper memory, and disease prevention. Autophagy doesn't just help your body, it keeps your brain in top shape too. It clears out toxic proteins linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, improving focus, memory, and mental clarity. That means better focus, quicker thinking, and a reduced risk of brain fog. 4. Weight loss and fat burning. Shed stubborn, fat naturally. Want to lose weight without crash diets? Autophagy turns your body into a fat-burning machine. When food is scarce, your body starts breaking down old, inefficient cells for energy instead of muscle. This is why fasting and low-carb diets work so well for fat loss. 5. Strengthens immunity and protects against diseases. Autophagy isn't just about weight loss. It also protects you from illnesses. By breaking down and removing harmful bacteria, viruses, and cancerous cells, it strengthens your immune system. This means fewer colds, lower inflammation, and a stronger body. So how can you activate autophagy? Here are 4 simple ways. Intermittent fasting, on my own, 12 to 16 hours. Skipping meals helps trigger autophagy by putting your body in survival mode. Exercise. High-intensity workouts push your cells to clean up and regenerate faster. Low-carb, high-fat diet, keto. Reducing carbs forces your body to burn fat, increasing autophagy. Quality sleep, 7 to 9 hours. Your body repairs itself at night, making deep sleep crucial for autophagy. Even small changes like delaying breakfast or adding a workout can boost autophagy. Now that you know the secret benefits of autophagy, are you ready to try it? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong. Have you ever tried fasting? Share your experience below.